Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the very important interfaces in a collection framework. The one is the iterator interface, another one is the list iterator interface. So the iterator and list iterator both are used to traverse the element from the collection object. Coming to the iterator interface. Iterator is an interface which is used to traverse the element from the collection object. So the iterator interface contains two important methods. One is the as next method, another one is the next method. So the as next method return true, that means it is having the next element in the iteration. So if it returns false, it does not having the elements in the iteration. Coming to the next method. The next method return next element of a iteration. So coming to the drawbacks of the iterator interface, the iterator is used to traverse the element only in forward direction. That means we cannot traverse the backward direction. So suppose we are using the iterator interface, we can only traverse the element only in a forward direction, but we cannot traverse backward direction. So this is the major drawback of the iterator interface. Then coming to the next drawback, using iterator we cannot modify the element in the collection object. So that means while iterating the element from the collection object, we cannot modify. That means so we cannot add or we cannot delete the element from the collection object while iterating. So this is the another drawback of the iterator interface. So this is the example. Here I am creating the one array list object. I am adding the four elements 10, 20, 30, 40. So here I am creating the iterator interface object, and here we are using the iterator method to iterate. So here while iterator dot as next, that means the as next method will, if it is written true, that means if the iteration having the element, so we can display the next element. Suppose if the as next method returns false, that means the iterator does not having the element, so it will skip the this loop. So if you see the output here, we are printing the 10, 20, 30, 40. That means we are the iterator interface display the data in a only forward direction. So coming to the list iterator interface. List iterator is the child interface of iterator interface, which is used to traverse the element of the collection object in both forward direction and backward direction. So the list iterator contains four important methods. One is the as next method, another one is the next method, third one is the as previous method, and finally the previous method. Coming to the as next method. As next method return true, that means it is having the next element in the iteration. So if it is returns false, it does not having the elements in the iteration. So coming to the next method. The next method return the next element of the iteration. So as previous method return true, that means the list iterator contain a previous element. So using this previous method we can return the previous element from the collection object. So the advantage of list iterator interface, the list iterator is used to traverse the element both forward and backward direction. But in case of iterator, we can traverse the element only in a forward direction. But in case of list iterator, we can traverse the element in both forward and backward direction. So using the list iterator, we can modify the elements in a collection object. That means while traversing the element from the collection object, using the list iterator, we can modify the elements. So coming to the example of list iterator, so here we are creating the array list object. I am adding the four elements 10, 20, 30, 40. So here we are creating the list iterator object using the list iterator method, and here we are checking using the as previous method. It will check it is having the previous element in the list iterator object or not. If it is having the next previous element, So it will using the previous method we can iterate at the previous element. So if you observe the output of the list iterator, so 40, 30, 20, 10. So here if you observe here we are traversing the element from the backward direction, but in case of iterator we are traversing in a forward direction. So here 10, 20, 30, 40. But in case of list iterator it will traverse the element from the backward direction. That's why it is displaying 40, 30, 20, 10. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.